Havells is committed to constantly innovate and offer next-generation state-of-the-art solutions for various applications satisfying the needs of its customers. The latest innovative offerings from Havells is indigenously developed wireless smart and connected lighting control system for modern workspaces and commercial buildings. With LITM, lighting in workspaces through an app which runs on your PC, laptop or mobile phone. Features such as daylight integration, occupancy sensing, human-centric lighting to sync your circadian rhythm can be integrated in the system, ensuring enhancing workspace optimization, employee comfort and enhanced productivity. User-friendly dashboard helps to monitor energy, ensuring optimal usage and efficiency. This new Havells wireless LITM system uses long-range radio frequency or LoRa. Since no additional control cables are needed, the installation of the system is easy, quick and economical. LoRa platforms ensure that signals can travel longer distances and can control many light points with one gateway. The wireless LITM system is versatile and can be used in conference rooms, open workspaces, personal offices and cabins. The conference room module in LITM ensures multiple and diverse functions can be handled with ease with simple switching, dimming and scene setting options. It increases the quality of interaction, raises attention level while ensuring user comfort. The conference room module has presets like gathering, presentation and meeting mode. With a simple touch, lighting scenes change for the particular activity, ensuring user comfort and enhanced performance. Presets are also available for 3 different light color temperatures to create ambience as per user preference. This can be easily set by users and overrides the pre-programmed options. The color temperatures can be selected based on the activity being performed in the conference room or for different times of the day. LITM system is not about creating the right ambience alone. Energy-saving features like daylight integration with artificial lighting is part of the system. The incoming natural light is sensed by the sensor and the artificial lighting is dimmed to maintain the desired lighting levels at the workspace. Havells LITM monitors occupancy and sets the light to dim or progressively brighten as employees enter and leave the space. The system integrates highly accurate motion detection and control of individual lights, ensuring the lights light up only the areas of the building that are occupied, thus saving significant energy. Havells LITM wireless lighting control system is a plug-and-play system which is simple and fast to install and does away with complex wiring system or conventional lighting controls. Be it offices, hospitals, banks, BPO, KPO, existing installations can be easily upgraded to smart lighting without the need of additional wiring. New installation can be made more flexible and optimized with Havells LITM wireless lighting control systems. This new revolutionary lighting control system from Havells not just makes your business smarter by improving employee productivity and optimizing workspace utilization, it also improves energy management, thus positively affecting carbon footprints. Havells LITM is an indigenous wireless control system designed in India, designed for you. Havells, making a difference.